Now, let's create a poll. By clicking on the plus or create button, we are then presented with all of our different poll options. We have multiple choice, word cloud, Q&A, rank order, clickable image, survey, open-ended, and 16 other different options. For this exercise, we will create 4 polls. Let's get started with multiple choice. A multiple choice poll will always start as your default question. You will know multiple choice is selected because of the white highlighted box and arrow pointing down to the text boxes below. For our first question, let's go ahead and type in "Poll everywhere is easy to use." Notice how you can upload an image with the question. Below that, we can create our different options. Let's type "Agree," and then we can either click on the box below or just press Tab on our keyboard to jump to it. Type in "Disagree." If you need more options, be sure to click on the plus box here. Here, we can type in "somewhat." We can now move our options around if we want them in a different order. Just click on the 6 dots to the left of the options and drag. The correct answer is chosen by clicking the check marks on the left as well. Note that more than one option can be the answer. For this poll, we will have "agree" as our correct answer. Now that this is done, let's create another poll within the same activity so they are grouped together. If we choose create, however, we are telling the system that we are done creating polls. So choose add another activity. Also note that we can add this poll to a group of others we have already created. For this exercise, let's go ahead and click on Word Cloud. Notice the single option we have here. Word Cloud is a fun way of visualizing responses. When using this type of question, make sure to limit responses to 1 to 2 words for better results. Now, let's type. What is your favorite type of poll? We do not get any other options here because your audience controls the rest of it. Go ahead and click on Add Another Activity. The next poll we will create is rank order. This will allow your audience to rank the options given in order. For this question, let's type, "I will use poll everywhere soon." For the different options, we can type in definitely, maybe, don't think so, and definitely no. After this, go ahead and click on Add Another Activity. The final poll we will create is an open-ended one. This type of poll allows your audience to submit anything they would like according to your question. Now, let's type in, "Do you still have any questions about Poll Everywhere?" Because this is our last activity, choose the Create button instead of the Add Another Activity. There will be no more polls added to our group.